Three traders, 1 year, $10,000 each. Same market, but three very different choices. Let's see who actually wins the long game. Meet Marcus. He ignores risk management, betting big to win fast. In the first few months, a few lucky wins have him feeling invincible, but luck runs out. By month 6, one bad trade with a wide stop wipes out everything. His account is nearly blown. Then there's Priya. She religiously risks exactly 1% per trade. It's slow, it's boring, and there are no big spikes. But she's consistent. By month 6, she's up 18%. Slow and steady is keeping her in the game. Finally, Diego. Like Priya, he risks 1%, but he gradually scales his position sizes as his account grows and his confidence is earned. By month 6, compounding has taken over. He's at nearly $15,000, growing responsibly and rapidly. 12 months later, the results are clear. Same starting money, same market. The only difference? Risk management. It's not about being right more. It's about surviving long enough to compound. Protect your capital.